Happy day, fam. Today's switching up Vanity. Oh, it's gonna be switched out to a brand new. As you can see, I'll show you. Show you everything in a minute. All right, we're gonna be switching the old one. This is the new Vanity combo. Like you can see, it's a Glacier Bay. It's gonna be the new one. You know, I'm gonna be here for a couple hours. I'll probably be here till probably about. Oh no, shit! You should imagine the job that we got in Bradenton still. There's a whole office building. Ain't nobody there. So yeah, no, you all right. You gotta let me know. I can put you on the schedule. Yeah, as soon as you let me know, I can put you on the schedule. Alright, so I got y'all all set up. So y'all can see what I'm doing. And then we'll be going back and forth, but just the old Vanity finna start removing it. So y'all bear with me. Keep it with me. Now, I already turned the water off outside, so now we're here. Turn the water off down here, but it's a little hard, so 9 times out of 10. You're gonna get 2 more of those. These are water shutoffs. They're hard to turn, so she's gonna have to. I'm about to go in and get some sharp bites for those. So yeah, let's see what we can do. See where we're going. Let's keep it moving. disconnect it. This you want to use. Continue to keep everything, use everything. So, let's disconnect it. Now, run the screws to the cabinet, which is now. Run the screws to the cabinet, which is here, as y'all can see. We got 1, 2 screws that's just bolted to the corner studs. We don't have any screws here. We might have one right there, but and one there. But I think that's just for the cabinet because there's no screws protruding there. So, all right, get y'all back set up. So we can make it happen. As y'all can see now, I'm all cleaned up. Now it's time to get the new vanity in here. She said she wanted to keep everything. She just wanted to minimize costs. She just wanted the vanity and to put the sink back in. So let's see what we can do. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. As you can see, we got our new vanity. It's just fitting in there right now. All right, I still have to make sure it's level. Put a screw there, put a screw there. That'll be it. Might put some shim on each side of that just to keep it even. Other than that, you know, swim well. So, yeah, let's see what we can do, baby. I'll be right back with y'all with another one. So, when I come back with y'all, I'm gonna have the sink on and I'm gonna have the doors. So, I'm just not gonna have the sink connected, but I have everything on there. Everything gonna be level and everything. So when I bring y'all back, before I put the doors on there, I'll show y'all everything gonna be level and everything. So stick with me. Right there, fam. As y'all can see, I got it all in. It ain't going nowhere. And you can see, I got that thing level. I got that thing level. So yeah, it's leveled on all sides. As y'all can see. I got a little button, but it's leveled up. So now, put the sink on, connect those. Yeah, I'll be right back with y'all. Y'all stick with me. All right, fam. As y'all can see, we got it all done. It's in there. Got no leaks. As you can see, it's done. That's up there for bracing to hold it back. They ain't give me nothing to hold it back, so got that liquid nail on there holding that back. So we dry on up, so yeah, that's it. Got a beautiful cabinet installed. Everything installed. So till then, I'll catch y'all on the next one.